Yeah. Hello, guys. Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Ishmael the Butcher Hapa hivi. Today I'm joined by Salim, the Grill Master, as we call him, Salim the Grill Master. And I thank you for those that are subscribing to our YouTube channel. Remember, don't forget to subscribe. So today we are just going to make what we call the pork. We are going to use pork shoulder to make pork shoulder choma with honey, and we are going to do it with Salim. Salim is going to take us through all the process of making it. We are doing pork shoulder choma with honey. It's just a simple recipe that you can do it at home. Maybe you have a party, or you have something like you just want to make a very nice pork that is very soft. It is something that you can just do it at home. So Salim, karibu sana. This is Salim Grill. Salim is the master hapa hivi. Salim, take us through the process. Huh?
Yes.
So this is our pork here.
Pork shoulder.
It is already marinated.
It is marinated.
It is marinated
We have marinated with ginger,
with ginger, garlic,
We have
lemon,
and honey.
honey.
Yeah.
So, like Salim has said, our pork has been marinated with ginger, with some garlic, some lemon, and also honey. So basically, it's just simple. So, what's the next step?
The next step is to put the meat
On the grill, okay? Okay. As you can see, we have just placed our pork on the grill. With the heat, it is at lower. We are not using a lot of heat. So it is a simple recipe. It is just something that you can just do it at home, a very simple recipe. You just mix your pork with some garlic, with some ginger, and some honey. So, as you can see, it will take us like maybe how many minutes? It will take us like 20 minutes to be ready. So what you're going to just do, we are going to maybe grill it slowly with Salim as you get to understand more about how he does this work, you know. So we are going to grill it slowly with Salim. As you can see, he's sprinkling in some marination so that it can sink in. Some marination so that it can sink in very nicely. It's already looking like it's turning brownish. So it means that it is already squeezing in the marination inside very slowly. Yeah. So, Salim, this is our pork. You know, this is something that we want people to do at home. We want want somebody to be very maybe comfortable doing it at home. So how do you advise somebody on maybe the temperature or the heat ama moto kiasi gani, yani unajua unamesha aje moto ama unajua aje hii moto inatosha ndio isiungue?
Moto una regulate na grill.
Una regulate na grill
Kama hapo haitaika moto nyingi.
na moto kidogo. Okay. So unachoma na moto ndio isiungue. That's nice. Hey, watu wangu. So as we are continuing to do this, as we are continuing to maybe grill our pork very nicely, remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe, eh? And the moment you subscribe, just hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload maybe a video, you'll be able to maybe get a notification that I've uploaded a video, and you can learn from this video. So as you can see, he's placing some honey. This is just honey. This is honey. It is natural honey from Baringo. This is Baringo finest. This is Baringo finest honey. He's just placing it on maybe a pannet like that. As you can see, he's now sprinkling the honey on top of the pork. Wow. This will be sweet. I am positive it will be very sweet. You can let me do it hata mimi nifanye si ndio? Nikifanya vibaya unaniambia sana nisiharibu mchuzi. Hivi ama like this hivi. Aha. Okay. So remember, he's doing it at the joints. Ananiambia hapo kwa joints, it is where inafaa unaweka honey vizuri so that inaingia vizuri ndani. As you can see, the meat is already looking tasteful. I'm even salivating and it's bado hata ijaiva, and I'm salivating like. Simple recipe. Just take your pork, marinate it like with some ginger, with some garlic. Use the local ginger, the local garlic. Just marinate it for some time. Give it even 3 hours, subdued, so that the marination can sink in. And then put it on your grill. Put it on your grill. Make the temperature. The temperature should be not too high, not high even, so that it doesn't burn. Salim really does this work very nicely. Salim really does this work very nicely. And you guys have to come and test Salim's maybe meat. Salim is, you can find Salim at Uhuru Highway. That's Uhuru Highway. Next to Nissan, it is Plemsy House. It is just called Harvest Choice. Harvest Choice is a place you can get the best nyama choma in Uhuru Highway. The best nyama choma in Uhuru Highway. You'll get Salim there. Salim will give you the best. Salim can do the lamb choma, the goat choma, the beef choma. We call now we are doing the pork with the honey very nicely. Even chicken, we can do chicken. The broilers, we can choma the broilers. So you guys, you need to come. See. As you can see also, yeah, they have decided to add us some maybe some chicken. These are the chicken quarters. Chicken quarter, nicely done, with some salt. It's a simple recipe. It's just some salt. Simple recipe with some salt.
Just salt.
Nice one. Oh, Uh, we are joined here by another grill master, Jonah. Jonah is also part with Salim. So anytime you want a very good nama choma, visit Salim and Jonah. These guys just do a marvelous job. Jonah, maybe you can tell them to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
You guys, hello. Subscribe there for Salim the Butcher. We are there together. Subscribe it, then chapa like. Ishmael the Butcher, chapa like hapo hivyo. Tusonge kusonga. Ama namna gani?
Nice one. So, we are back. That was just a commercial. We are back. As you can see, nyama yetu inaiva pole pole. Tujaiharakisha. Hatujaharakisha, nyama yetu inaiva tu pole pole. Nicely done, guys. This meat is nicely done, yani. So Salim, yes. After this, maybe utaifunga with something else, ama tu ikiiva iko ready hivyo. Okay. So after sometimes after Salim anafunga na some aluminium foil. The aluminium foil inasaidia so that iive ndani kabisa, iive ndani vizuri. Atatumia aluminium foil to wrap it vizuri ndio iive ndani kabisa. Very nicely, very nice pork. Very nice pork, done very nicely with the best grill masters, yani. It is done nicely. I just love, I love the passion. I love the passion that Salim does this job with, because anytime unakula nyama ya Salim, anytime you are tasting Salim's meat, you just feel like it is the best. It is just the best. Remember, it is a simple recipe that you can just do it at home. Not too much heat. You just use the normal charcoal, maca, the normal charcoal. Marinate it with some garlic, some ginger, some lime, some lemon juice, and some honey. Very simple. That's the pork. The chicken, you don't need to use any marination. Just simple. Do it with salt. Just sprinkle some salt on top. Give it just little heat, and my friend, you are nice to go. You're very nice. Very nicely done. Tukiendelea guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe. Just subscribe. Hit the notification notification bell, so that anytime I upload my videos, you'll get to maybe visit my YouTube channel and get to maybe you'll get to learn a lot. And I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you. So Salim, are we ready to wrap it? Bad? Okay. We give it like 5 minutes. Nice one. Wow, let's see. It's looking nicely. Okay. Now, as Salim has told us, it is now ready. Salim is going to wrap it so that even done it is even done it is. But it's ready, Salim. It's ready. Very ready. It's ready. As you can see, it is it's looking nice. That's our pork right there. Looking very nice. My friend, you can salivate like it is very looking nice. Now, Salim, wrap it. Yeah, guys, we are done, like we are done. Thank you for watching. What we have basically done today, we have just been doing what we call the pork choma with honey, with Salim here, Salim the grill master. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.